welcome back to the channel. We're at National Toronto Pearson Airport here. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks everyone for subscribing. We're almost at 500. And we'll start things off here. We got one of these plug-in hybrid BMW X3s. And this one looks like a 2 Series. BMW, saw a lot of these down in the States. Yeah, X2. I think this is a 2.8i. This looks like another of these. Yeah, one of these plug-in hybrid. Just looking at, is this an X3? This has got to be an X3. Let's just take a quick look here while we're here. It's been a while since I've done Toronto Airport. It's kind of exciting. X-Drive, X3, 3.0e. And we have got a Kia SUV. And we got a Ford Escape, Ford Edge. There are tons of cars here. Again, this is a Friday night. We got a Chevy compact SUV. We got a Ford Edge. A couple of them here. We got Dodge Charger GT. Another Ford Edge, Ford Escape. Got a newer Hyundai SUV. Is that the newer Santa Fe? Ford Edge, Ford Escape, Ford Edge. I've got a VW with the wiper up. Another Ford Edge. Oh boy, they got a lot of Ford Edges. You know, I should pop into one of these and see if they're brand new. Wouldn't be silly. This one's got the sunroof. I guess it's probably a titanium. And what do we got here? Oh boy, these are brand new. 7 kilometers. For everyone in the States, that's about 4 miles, what I saw down in Miami. We got another compact Chevy SUV. Ford Escape, Ford Edge. Yeah, these are all brand new. Anybody wants to drive brand new Ford Edge, come on down. And we'll just quickly go around. Well, it looks like they're actually even starting to use the signage here. Oh yeah, this is executive. Well, this is interesting. I've never really had enough cars to do the other side here. This is executive aisle 2, I think. This is kind of new. So we've got some more Ford Edges. Nissan Altima. Got a smaller Kia. Oh boy, lots of Ford Edges. Yeah, I won't even bother going down. There's a couple more Ford Edges and a Maxima over there. And I don't think I've ever seen this used either. So we got full-size SUVs here. These look like brand new. These brand new Expeditions. What are these? These got to be brand new. I'm guessing they're probably locked, but we'll take a look here. Limited Expedition Max. Oh, these are okay. So this would be premium SUV. It's unlocked. We can see the mileage. Okay, this has got about 3,000. Actually, let's take a look. This is brand new. This is nice. Very nice. Bang & Olufsen stereo. Yeah. See in the back here. There's going to be another row. All right. And okay, we got a Kia minivan. Smaller Hyundai, Ford Explorer. Not sure if those are mid-size, but and got a couple of minivans here. And that camera is just blocking the exit there. Another Ford Escape. Now we're going down the regular Emerald aisle here, and we got a VW, Kia, Ford Escape. VW. Actually, what is this? This is the Emerald aisle. Well, I'm not even sure how to pronounce that. Okay. And let's just kind of quickly do the rest of the Emerald Club here. Another Ford Edge. Mitsubishi SUV. Got another Mitsubishi SUV. Got a Chevy Equinox. Escape. And we got a Hyundai SUV. This is Emerald aisle. And let's go back. Oh boy, I haven't seen a full-size SUV in the executive aisle. Wow. Wow, man, things have changed for the better. I'm guessing probably a lot of these are new. Miles I got on this side. It's more 5,000. Yeah, 3 rows. And I'm guessing it's probably a limited. Sorry, squeeze back. No, sorry, XLT. We've got an SEL Edge. 2 of them here. And we've got somebody coming through somewhere. Is that the Equinox? Got a Mazda, looks like a CX-5. A Ford Edge, Ford Escape. Actually, these are big. These Escapes are good too. Probably just got a big shipment in. Oh no, this has got 1,800 kilometers on it. We're going to have a Mitsubishi SUV. What was it? Compact Ford small SUVs, Ford Edge, Ford Escape. Another Explorer. And ooh, this looks like a Buick Enclave. Okay. Do these have 3? Yeah, no, it does. I don't know if I see. It does have 3 rows. Sorry about that. Enclave. And yeah, this Explorer is a limited, so we probably have a nicer stereo, sunroof. Probably loaded. And we're just about to wrap things up here. We got a couple more. And I think that's gonna wrap it up. All right, thanks everyone for watching. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe. We're closing in on 500. We'll see you in the next video.